Hello and welcome in another lecture of English literature and linguistics. Today we will discuss that how to write a research proposal, how we can write an effective research proposal. So let's start. There are mainly 5 steps that we have to follow while write a research proposal. The first one is defining research direction. The second one is creating significance, references, review, literature review. The third one is research design and methodology. The fourth one is proposed timeline, and the last one is references. So let's start. As all of you know that it is a quite tricky job to make a research proposal. If you have written a research conference or journal paper before, or if you have read conference journal papers before, then it is quite easy to understand how to write it. The research proposal is just like a research paper but without exact results, descriptions and conclusions. So this is the main difference. But if you don't have any experience of writing or reading research paper, I will tell you step by step in 5 steps. So let's start with the step 1, defining research directions. First of all, define your research directions. Either it is your MPhil or PhD or any other degree or stage you are going for. If research project is already given, then finding research question from it. What are research directions? Research directions are the proposals in the project on which you want to work. The problems or improvements in the project that you want to work on. So this is your first step. In the second step, you have to create the significance, the references and literature review. So you have to create significance of the research directions you want to work on and giving references with previous literature and their expected importance plus improvements from existing work. The third one is research design and methodology. Your expected design of working on the project proposal, mentioning each step of how you will work on that proposal, even making a block diagram of whole process of proposal implementation and explaining it with references from previous literature and explaining about expected results. So you have to search for research gaps also in the project or research proposal given. This you can find by reading research papers in that topic, and the most easy way is to see that in the project you are working on which topic in that people are mostly working on. So that is one of the main gaps. Also you can find gaps by checking each individual step of your research proposal with other papers published in that area. The fourth one is proposed timeline. You can give the proposed timeline regarding steps of the proposal. This timeline you can discuss with your supervisor or professor also if you are in contact with him, and you have to complete your work within the given timeline. And the last one is references. Mention all the references and sources that you have mentioned above. In this way, you'll be able to write an effective research proposal. So this is a short and compound way to write a research proposal. Thank you so much.